Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. WeMod Red Dead Redemption 2. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Red Dead Redemption 2 in WeMod. So on a previous video, I have made Red Dead Redemption 2 my favorite. So you can check that on the type in the WeMod Epic Games, WeMod Epic Games on the YouTube and find Guide Glimpse. Once you are here, you'll see the part where I made Red Dead Redemption 2 my favorite. So yeah, let's start up right here. So on Red Dead Redemption 2, click on it, play on it. So here are the most available Red Dead Redemption 2, but we're gonna test them out to see if they work. And guys, a little bit of a tip for you guys. When you're doing this, you're not allowed to use the VMod in Red Dead Online. You are only allowed to use VMod in Red Dead Redemption 2 story mode. But if you're gonna use it online, it's either the Wii mode is not gonna allow you to use it, or second thing is your account will get banned. So yeah, so we don't want our account to get banned, or maybe we don't want our account to get what do you call this penalized, or maybe any of those. So we are having trouble starting finding open. So if you're having troubles, okay, then start our Red Dead Redemption first. Once we've started this, I think it will work. So let's just wait for it. There we go. Oh, so we have this skip all. Couch in conflict. So this may be the problem. That's why having trouble with the Wii mod. So it's okay, guys. And a little bit another tip for you guys. It's okay if you don't have to click the play right here in the Wii mod. It's okay. Just open the game, and once you open the game, just click on play. There you go. Loading. We're gonna. We need to get for to our story mode first. Right here, just go to story mode. Let's get story. Wait for it. Here we go. We are now here on Red Dead Redemption 2 story mode. So let's open up our WeMod right here. You see on Steam that let's make it epic. Oh wait. Oh, let's just do Steam. Opening. Come on. There we go. You see, here are all the available options. Unlimited health. I think that's very. So once we have it on, we have unlimited health. So energy. Did I try it? And unlimited focus and no bounty. So let's test it. So let's try the unlimited health. So let's try. Okay, dismiss. Put the punches. Punches. Okay, punch me. Oops. Oh, I did not mean to do that, but there we go. As you can see, we have unlimited health. What about the dead eye? Try it. We have unlimited dead eye, as you can see. No, 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 no deal. Okay, so as you can see, we have unlimited dead eye, unlimited health. As you can see, there's no bounty on us. Let's try killing one. So sorry, but I'm gonna try it. So there we go. There's no bounty added on us. I'm gonna try the other things too. Let's just off those. Oh no, we're gonna leave the unlimited health. So we're gonna unlimited items. So let's do the unlimited items. Okay, I believe let's just do the do we have anything here? It's the teleportation. Nope. All right. So wait. Please don't shoot. Oh shoot! No, 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 no. Just gonna run away. We're gonna test the other mods in Red Dead Redemption 2. Please no. Please no. Please no. No. Please. I have an idea. We remove that. There's the skill stuff. Bomb. Yep. There you go. Died. Okay. All good. Here we are. So we're gonna try the other stuff. Other mods. We're gonna try our unlimited items. That's our unlimited items. If it's really unlimited. Let's do the unlimited items. So click on, and guys, a little bit of tip for you guys. If you don't have the pro version on, you're not allowed to click that like me. So you just have to click on the hotkey. On your keyboard, for example, F6. Okay, F6. There we go. Unlimited item. There we go. So let's try the unlimited item. Try try this one. Oh no. So unlimited items. So here are all the items. So try to try this one, chocolate bar. So we have three. And we still have three. So let's eat another one. We still have three. Let's eat another one. We still have three. Let's eat another one. Still have three. Eat another one. Still have three. Eat another one. And as you can see, our bar is full. Let's try a food. There we go. Add three. Eat one. Go. Eat another one. And as you can see, there we go. As you can see, our can still three. We still have three. So that's very nice to have. And what if you have unlimited ammo? So let's try to on that. So F6. Let's close this. Limited ammo. Oopsie. Limited ammo. Oopsie. Oopsie. I clicked the wrong one. F8. F8. There you go. Unlimited ammo. No reload. So let's try the unlimited ammo first. Oh, as you can see, whenever I shoot the bullet, it goes back in. So, goes back in. See, it goes back up. 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269. There you go. And let's try the unlimited no reload. with no reload on, right? And it doesn't makes you reload. I can just spam that. No reloads. And close that. That too. Unlimited force health. Oh, I'm not gonna try that tomorrow, but unlimited. We're gonna try the unlimited force energy, right? The horse energy. See, this, guys, this is my honest review. See if the unlimited horse energy does work. And as you can see, it doesn't. So there's something. The horse energy doesn't work. Yeah, the horse energy doesn't work. So yeah, that's a little bit of a problem. Mm-hmm. There we go. Horse energy doesn't work. Unlimited energy. So let's just turn that off. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.